Hey everyone, lesson 5, level 5, choosing your own adventures by generating random numbers. So we've done the player health and we've done the random simulation, which I thought was cool. We're going to do random weather next. No idea if this is the first time I've looked at this. Oh, it's going to involve the theater. Yes, so let's see. In the theater runner class, we've created a weather scene object that gets nothing passed to it. Interesting, interesting, interesting. So let's go look at the weather scene class. So the weather scene class extends the scene, and there's no constructors for objects that I can see. There's a draw results. Oh, so let's look at the draw result. It will draw a snowflake if the temperature is less than 40 degrees, and it will draw a sun elsewise. And then it's going to draw it, plus it's going to draw the text that includes the degrees. So, all right. So we just need to generate, I bet, just a random number between 20 and 80. So in the weather scene, we want to generate a random number. So instead of this, I am going to do math.random. Now, this alone is going to return a random double between 0 and 1, but not including 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by, since the difference between the 20 and 80 is 60, I'm going to multiply this by 60. So now this is going to return a random integer or random double between 0 and 60, but it's not including 60. So if I cast this as an int, now this is going to return a random integer between 0 and 59. It will do 59. It will not do 60. So I'm going to add, I need to get the 20, right? And I need to go to 80. That's 60. So I'm going to add 20 to this. And so let's see what happens. It kind of bugs me because I can only go to 79. If I did 21, I would never get to 20 degrees. So it's kind of weird. So we got to do a little bit of other stuff, but we're just using the random number first. So it's good. All right. So, and then in the theater runner, call the get random temp. That was not a, get random temp. I think we probably, we got a weather scene. I missed the weather scene object. So there we go. So let's go scene dot get random temp. And pass the value returned to a call to the draw result method. So I'm gonna call this is an int, and I'll call this my temp, and then I'm going to pass that to the draw result. So scene dot draw result, and I'll pass my temp to it. I better put a semicolon there. I think that's all we need to do. Let's see what happens here. It's going to work or not work. We'll find out. And it worked. So I would like to see, 22 degrees. So it does show me what the random temperature was. Let's run it again. 40 degrees. So that's giving me the random temperature. Let's look at this again and remind you what it does. So if the temperature is less than 40, that's the number I'm passing to it, that random int. If it's less than 40, it'll print out a snowflake. If it's 40 and above, it'll print out the sun. So 24 degrees, printed out a snowflake. So let's stop it and run the test to make sure the test is working well. And it did. We did it, kids. We did it. All right, see you in a bit.